Welcome to Matri Academy. Let's begin the chapter 14, transcription. The process of formation of mRNA using DNA as a template is known as transcription. Question asked in ICRJRF 1995, NET 2014. The term messenger RNA was proposed by Jacob and Monod. Ribozymes are the RNA molecules only that have the capability of catalyzing chemical reactions. It catalyzes cleavage of DNA. IRI 2004. Ribozyme is the RNA having a catalytic function, code for no protein. ARS 2012. Okaw achieved in vitro synthesis of RNA in 1956. Ribosome is a composition of RNA and protein. IRI 2001. During reverse transcription, our DNA is synthesized from RNA by the enzyme reverse transcriptase. Lines and signs. They are non-LTR retrotransposons. Lines are the long interspersed nuclear elements found in plants coded by transcription of RNA polymerase II, and signs short interspersed nuclear element found in animals coded by the transcription of RNA polymerase III. Example, ALU family in human beings. The first non-LTR retrotransposons discovered was SNF element in maize. The asymmetry of two AC and EN or spam ends are important with respect to excision, as these elements with identical ends are not excised and thus transposted. The RNA polymerase activity was first shown in 1960 by Weiss in rat liver. Jacob and Monod proposed that an mRNA distinct from rRNA carried the message for amino acid sequence in proteins. The sequence of antisense RNA strand is complementary to sense DNA RNA strand. Question asked in ARS 2007. The antisense strand of DNA is the coding strand, and the sense strand is called the template strand. The DNA strand that bears the base sequence similar to mRNA is called sense strand. ICRJRF 2004. The promoter region has a start point which is typically a single base in greater than 90% of cases. A purine adenine cat triplet in prokaryotes. Types of RNA in a cell. In a eukaryotic cell, mRNA accounts for 3%, rRNA accounts for 80%, and tRNA accounts for 10 to 15% of the total RNA. Question asked in IRI 2003. Then the type of RNA in a cell, percentage of composition encoded by and the site. rRNA total composition is 80 to 85%, the maximum concentration encoded by RNA polymerase I and the site is nucleolus. mRNA is the percentage of composition is 5%, coded by RNA polymerase II and the site is nucleoplasm. tRNA 10 to 15%, coded by RNA polymerase III and the site is nucleoplasm. The existence of tRNA was demonstrated by Hoagland et al. In 1957. tRNA is also known as adapter molecule. tRNA is smallest in size among all type of RNAs in a cell, and about 80% of the tRNA molecule is double-stranded. RNA polymerase in eukaryote is of three types, 1, 2 and 3. RNA polymerase I in eukaryote is associated in the formation of rRNA. RNA polymerase II in eukaryotes is associated in the formation of mRNA, and RNA polymerase III is associated in the formation of tRNA. Question asked in IRI 2003. An enhancer is required to establish an active transcriptional state. A single enhancer can activate more than one promoter. Site of attachment of RNA polymerase is promoter. Section of DNA that allows binding of RNA polymerase to the DNA segment to be transcribed is called promoter. RNA polymerase is comprised of alpha 2 beta beta dash sigma unit in prokaryotes. The promoter region has a start point which is typically a single base, adenine, a purine for transcription initiation in E. coli. CSIR December 2002 question. During transcription, the sigma factor is involved in binding of RNA polymerase to the promoter DNA. ARS NET 2001. Permease does not bind to DNA. RNA polymerase III occurs in nucleoplasm and it transcribes tRNA and 5S rRNA. Proteins that bind to Tata box in promoter region are the transcriptional factors. RNA polymerase bind to the promoter DNA, ARS 2007. Transcription of structural genes cannot occur when repressor is bound to the operator, ICR JRF 2004 question. The size of mRNA is determined by the attachment of terminator protein on ribosome at terminator site, ARS 2007. Pre-mRNA in eukaryotes is known as heteronuclear RNA, ARS 2007. Before splicing, mRNA is used to be in the form of heteronuclear RNA, ARS 2007. SMART, spliceosome-mediated RNA transsplicing technology. This is the full form of SMART. 70% of eukaryotic mRNA have poly A tail of 200 bases. For synthesizing complementary DNA from prokaryotic mRNA, poly A tail is added to the 3' end of mRNA by poly A polymerase enzyme. Prokaryotic mRNAs do not have poly A tail. An enzyme poly M polymerase is used to add poly A tail about 200 nucleotides lying to the newly generated 3' end of heteronuclear RNA. In spite of deletion of upstream or downstream sequence of Tata box, RNA synthesis continue to begin 20 to 30 nucleotide downstream to Tata box. Rho factor is associated with the termination of transcription in prokaryotes, ICR JRF 2001. The rate of transcription in bacteria is 40 nucleotides per second and in phages it is 200 nucleotides per second at 37 degrees centigrade temperature, IRI 2003. At 37 degrees centigrade in prokaryotes, transcription rate is 40 nucleotides per second or 2500 nucleotides per minute, while the translation rate is 15 amino acid per second. Most of the RNA biosynthesis occurs in asymmetric fashion. The antibiotic actinomycin D inhibits bacterial growth by blocking the transcription process. Question asked in IRI 2003. Rifamycin is an inhibitor of both replication and transcription. Tetrahynema thermophila ciliate protozoans has TTGGG telomeric repeat sequence. Enzyme involved in the synthesis of telomeres is telomerase discovered by Blackburn in Tetrahynema ciliate protozoan. RNA replication is mediated by RNA-dependent RNA polymerase or replicase. Viral oncogenes do not have introns, ARS 2007. Complementary DNA is not having any introns, ARS 2007. The machinery for replication and transcription of chloroplast DNA and the soluble enzymes of stroma are provided by nuclear genes, while plastid RNA is produced by chloroplast DNA alone. RNA virus containing reverse transcriptase are retroviruses. Reverse transcriptase is also known as RNA-dependent DNA polymerase, discovered by Temin and Baltimore in 1970 in avian myeloblastosis virus. Question asked many times in CSIR June 2003, ARS NET 2001, ARS 2007. The transcription product is monocystronic in eukaryotes and polycystronic in prokaryotes. ARS NET 2001, IRI 2004. Then RNA editing. The process of changing the sequence of RNA after transcription, nucleotides are added, deleted or changed by editing. Example, mitochondria gene in trypanosomes. Question asked in ARS 2012. RNA editing may proceed from 3' end to the 5' end after the transcription is over. RNA degradation also starts from 3' to 5' end. Alternative splicing, firstly discovered with an immunoglobulin heavy chain by Baltimore et al. It gives two forms of the protein with different carboxy termini. One form is shorter and secreted, and second form is stay anchored in the plasma membrane via carboxy terminus. Then again some match of the following. Reverse transcriptase, making DNA copy of an RNA molecule. DNA ligase join the two DNA fragments. DNA polymerase is a prime used to create primers. RNA polymerase promoter, the type 3 restriction endonuclease cleaving DNA at specific BSA sequences. Then the bacteriophage is a virus infecting bacteria. Single cellular DNA present in bacterial chromosome. Splicing is the mechanism of processing of mRNA. Oncogenes present in the cancer cells when activated. So guys, these are the questions related to the transcription. I hope you all enjoyed. So guys, please be on my channel, always like and subscribe so I get motivated. Thank you for being here.